In the heart of the American West lies a terrain like no other. Where the forces of nature have crafted a masterpiece of geological wonders. Welcome to Yellowstone National Park, a living laboratory that unravels the mysteries of our planet. Prepare to be captivated by the incredible wonders of this landscape as we dive into the depths of its hidden world. Beneath the serene beauty of Yellowstone's landscape lies a remarkable mosaic of geological activity, a breathtaking symphony of forces that shape the very foundations of Earth. Imagine walking through a land where geothermal power surges from the pits of Earth, where boiling hot springs emerge and their vibrant colors form an intricate dance between microscopic organisms and the chemical elements they harness. These hot springs harbor hidden ecosystems. They nurture a rich biodiversity that defies conventional wisdom, unlocking the secrets of life's origins and adaptations in extreme environments. As we venture deeper into the park, a captivating wildlife spectacle unfolds, showcasing the delicate balance of nature in Yellowstone. Majestic herds of bison roam freely, elk graze peacefully, and elusive wolves maintain a watchful eye over their territories. It's a mesmerizing display of nature's harmonious unity, where every species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of Yellowstone's ecosystem. Behind this natural spectacle lies a tale of unwavering dedication to conservation. Yellowstone is home to visionary projects like the renowned Wolf Project, which works tirelessly to restore ecological harmony by introducing and protecting gray wolves. Another beacon of conservation in Yellowstone is Yellowstone Forever, an organization committed to preserving and protecting the park's natural wonders through education, research, and community engagement. Their tireless efforts support vital research projects, habitat restoration, and educational programs that empower visitors to become advocates for the park. In the heart of Yellowstone, we witness the powerful intersection of preservation and scientific discovery. From the remarkable endeavors of the Wolf Project to the transformative impact of Yellowstone Forever, These conservation initiatives embody the spirit of preserving this precious wilderness. Within this untamed paradise, Yellowstone reveals a vibrant tapestry of flora and fauna. Delicate wildflowers paint the meadows with a riot of colors, while towering pine trees whisper ancient tales. The air is filled with the scent, fragrance of sagebush, and the melodies of songbirds offer solace to every wandering soul. And then there are the geysers, Yellowstone's true marvels. They offer a window into the geothermal forces at play beneath our feet. Eruptions, like the famous Old Faithful, remind us of the tremendous power simmering beneath the Earth's surface, driven by the delicate balance of heat and pressure. Each eruption is a balance of hydraulic forces, a dance between superheated water and steam as they burst forth into the sky. The rhythm of these eruptions guides scientists to unravel the geological clockwork hidden within Yellowstone's depths. But Yellowstone's wonders run even deeper. Beneath its surface lies a dominant supervolcano, a sleeping giant with the potential to reshape our planet. The volcanic features that dot the landscape are reminders of cataclysmic events that have shaped Earth over millions of years. These volcanic landscapes hold clues to Earth's past, providing scientists with invaluable insight into the inner workings of our planet. They tell stories of ancient eruptions and the eons-long processes that forged the unique geological composition of Yellowstone. Amongst the geological drama, Yellowstone's ecosystems flourish. Towering forests, meandering rivers, and expansive meadows support a rich patchwork of life. This delicate balance is a testament to nature's resilience and a reminder of the intricate interplay between geology and biology, working hand in hand to create a harmonious web of life. And let us not forget the enchanting waterfalls that grace Yellowstone's rugged landscapes. Their cascading waters reflect nature's unwavering determination and captivating beauty. From the thunderous roar of mighty falls to the graceful flow of smaller cascades, Yellowstone's waterfalls offer a mesmerizing spectacle, a balance of water and rock. They carve their way through the landscape, leaving a trail of wonder in their wake. As we witness the captivating cascade of Yellowstone's waterfalls, let us be inspired by their majestic power and timeless allure. They stand as reminders of nature's cleverness and the intricate unity that exists in the natural world. May these breathtaking waterfalls continue to ignite our sense of wonder and foster a deep appreciation for the remarkable land that surrounds us. Our journey culminates at the infamous Mammoth Hot Springs, a true testament to the park's geothermal wonders. As we arrive, we are greeted by a surreal landscape that transports us to a land unlike any other. Here, nature has sculpted terraces of white mineral formations where hot springs delicately paint the earth with vibrant hues. Mammoth Hot Springs are a masterpiece of nature's creativity. Over thousands of years, the flowing waters have deposited minerals, creating a series of cascading pools and intricate formations. The calcium carbonate-rich water interacts with the surrounding rocks, giving birth to the breathtaking structures that seem to defy gravity. Each terrace is a unique work of geological brilliance, with its own distinct shapes, textures, and colors. From the massive and grand to the delicate and intricate, the terraces paint an unreal picture against the backdrop of Yellowstone's pristine wilderness. The vibrant hues that adorn the terraces are a result of the presence of thermophiles, heat-loving microorganisms which thrive in the scalding hot springs. These resilient organisms create a variety of vivid colors, transforming the terraces into a living canvas of reds, oranges, yellows, and greens. Walking along the boardwalks that wind through the springs, we are immersed in a world that blurs the line between reality and fantasy. The steam rising from the pools, the gurgling sound of flowing water, and the mesmerizing sight of the terraces transport us to a place that feels otherworldly, a true marvel of the natural world. Yellowstone National Park, a crucible of scientific discovery where geological forces shape our world and life triumphs against all odds. May Yellowstone ignite our curiosity, spark our scientific imagination, and inspire us to cherish and protect the natural world that surrounds us.